Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Solana from Revolut to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding Solana on Revolut and want to move it to Bitmart for trading or better management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both a Revolut account with Solana in it and a verified Bitmart account. You'll also need your Bitmart wallet address handy. Think of it as the crypto equivalent of a bank account number. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms before starting. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. Find your Solana balance and select the option to withdraw or transfer it. Revolut might prompt you for additional verification here, so have your ID or login details ready. Next, head over to Bitmart. Log in to your account and go to the deposit section. Select Solana, SOL, as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Copy the provided wallet address, don't share this with anyone. Now, back in Revolut, paste that Bitmart wallet address into the transfer form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, double-check everything for accuracy, and confirm the transaction. Remember, there might be network fees involved, so factor those in. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm the arrival of your Solana. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. A quick tip. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent scams, and never rush the process. By 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so stay updated. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching.